Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. See what's next to me? Pro 1000. Love this baby. But you know what I would never do with this thing? I would never take it out to an event. Absolutely not. If I need 17-inch capacity printing at an event, I'd take my P800 with me. Why? Well, very simple. You can't move this thing, all right? You have to empty it of all of the internal ink. That would cost a fortune every time you do that. You would have to do it going and coming back, because the minute you exceed a certain angle, you may have an internal spill, and if the printer happens to be on, it will trigger the emptying procedure or the shipping procedure, which basically means it's going to empty all of the ink internally contained into several, yes, I said several, maintenance cartridges. Now, sure, you can turn it off and very carefully carry it perfectly level to your car, and hopefully you will not be going up any high incline hills, okay, because that will cause spilling. There are internal compartments that are vented to the atmosphere, and it could possibly cause internal spilling, which really you don't want to ever take a chance with. So what printer should I take? The P800. That would be perfect. You can carry that if you're strong enough, big enough, under your arm. It doesn't matter. It will not cause any problems whatsoever, whereas this one will. Okay? Simple as that. Never take something like this out of the print room. This thing is here for life. When I have to move it, that means I have to empty it. So simple as that. The P800, I can move that upstairs. I can move that next door, put it in my shop, put it in my computer room, wherever I want it, even while it's connected to the power source or otherwise. It doesn't really matter. It will allow you to do that because it does not utilize vented internal ink compartments like this puppy here does. Okay, so keep that in mind, and don't be surprised if something bad happens if you attempt to move it while it's either on, or even when it's off and you exceed a certain angle from level. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And if you're thinking about just buying a printer just for that type of work, not this one. Okay, that's not going to really work very well for you. P800. As long as you need 17 inches capacity, P800. If you have a 3880 available that still runs well like I do, yeah, take that. It's a little bit lighter. But if you need roll support plus a bit less hectic or painful portability, this thing's still heavy though, then the P800 is the one you need to get, okay? That will allow you to print on roll, 17-inch capacity by, oh my gosh, 100 and something inches long. Whatever you need to do, you can do that on the P800. You can carry it back and forth every week if you have events every weekend without any problems. You can put it in your van, your trunk, whatever, the back seat, it doesn't matter. Not this one right here. Okay, just keep that in mind. This is not the printer for you for that type of work. All right, hope I didn't offend too many people, especially if you love this printer like I do. I still love you, but you do have some issues when it comes to portability. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Wait a minute. Happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.